Good evening and welcome back to your daily news update. From major moves on Wall Street to rising global tensions over central bank independence, here are the top stories you need to know today, September 18, 2025. The Federal Reserve's quarter-point interest rate cut earlier this week is already rippling through financial markets. And now, Japanese investment bank Nomura says it expects not just this single cut, but also two more, one in October and another in December. If that prediction comes true, it could mark the start of a full easing cycle aimed at supporting growth in a slowing U.S. economy. Investors are now watching closely for signals on how far and how fast the Fed might go in the months ahead. U.S. stock markets rallied today, with the S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq all pushing toward new highs. The big driver? A surprise partnership between tech giants Intel and Nvidia. The announcement boosted optimism about innovation in the semiconductor sector, a critical piece of the AI and data center boom. Tech stocks led the way, fueling a wave of buying that carried across Wall Street. For investors, this partnership could signal a new phase of collaboration in an industry usually defined by fierce competition. The relationship between the White House and the Federal Reserve took a dramatic turn today. The Trump administration has formally asked the Supreme Court to allow the president to fire Fed Governor Lisa Cook. The move has raised alarms about the Fed's independence, with critics warning that political interference could undermine confidence in U.S. monetary policy. Supporters argue that elected leaders should have more control over the central bank. The court's decision could reshape how the Fed operates for years to come. In India, the stock market delivered a strong performance today. The Sensex jumped more than 300 points, while the Nifty 50 index surged past 25,400. Analysts say the gains were fueled by optimism following the U.S. Fed's rate cut, as well as recent domestic reforms on trade and taxation. India's markets have been among the best performing in Asia this year, and today's rally reinforces the sense that global investors are looking to India as a bright spot in an otherwise uncertain economic landscape. Finally, energy markets saw a slight dip in oil prices. Brent crude and West Texas Intermediate slipped as traders weighed concerns about oversupply against signs of slowing U.S. growth. The Fed's rate cut initially boosted hopes for stronger demand, but oversupply fears quickly took hold. Energy analysts warn that unless production is reined in, prices could remain under pressure despite improving demand conditions. And that wraps up today's top stories. From the Fed's bold moves and Wall Street's tech rally to global market reactions and energy price swings, these developments are shaping the financial and political world around us. Stay informed, stay ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow with more updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep others up to speed with the news that matters most.